Our next model on BrassTrains.com is item number 060764. This is a anniversary version Big Boy, Union Pacific, number 58 of 100. It's a 4884, road number 4019. Comes to us from Overland Models and is made in Korea by Ajin. This is a very rare, highly sought after model because of it being an anniversary edition, limited in production. Has smoke lifters, excellent in-cab detail, and we'll give you a demonstration of how it runs. This model is available at BrassTrains.com. The item number is 060764.